Yeah. Let me see it. That's a nice size, bud. Look at that. Come on.
Oh, he's long.
Throw him out.
My bass right now. But
There we are, another one.
I think my rod that much.
There we go. I got him.
Almost the size of my actual bass I caught. Hold him. Oh, he is big, but oh my gosh, that's pretty big.
Keep reeling.
Charlie,
A lot of these guys.
you're gonna hold it.
No, that's a good size. Whoa, what a whopper. Okay. Pretty decent. Here's our fish, seasoned with salt and paprika.
I am 7 years old. Wee.
Alright, I'm gonna dry it out. Hey, Charlie, you caught this fish earlier.
My nut.
What do you think? Taste test.
The bomb.
There's no.
This is so good.
What do you think?
It's good.
Good? Yes, we've eaten them on campsite before.
That's not bad.
Okay. Okay. See you then.